Hello everybody, I designed a new paper airplane, and this might be my new favorite paper airplane. Look at this beauty. Okay, with this better view, this, you can see it better. It has this cool burner in the front. These really cool fins. 1 second. These really cool fins right here. It's really cool. It has 2 wings. And my favorite part has to be this little front burner thing. I like how you could also put your finger on it, launch it that way, and I think it's a cool paper airplane. So to make it, you're gonna want any piece of paper, and this is completely optional, but I would want to use a pen. So we're gonna want to fold down about 1 inch. That doesn't have to be exact. It could be anything close to 1 inch. That would work fine. And fold that inch down on the back. You know, actually forget about that. I just realized I could just roll it in. But I designed it so it's like that. But roll it down this actually. But that's fine. Fold it in half this way. And fold these 2 bits down. Unfold it. Now you see this little part in the front right here? Kind of push this out as you undo that, and now you have this little mini part right here. You just unfold this crease. We have this little rabbit ear fold, which is going to be this little front burner, and so you're going to want to fold this so it's parallel. See, it's parallel and parts. Now unfold this and kind of bring these 2 parts in. This is a bit of a tricky part because you want to make sure so rabbit ear fold stays there. So see, we still have that little rabbit ear fold that's gonna make it a burner. So see this crease from here. That's where we're gonna unfold our wings all the way until this back edge right there. So we can't unfold no more. See? And that gives us nice and big nice wings. So we're gonna want to do a sharp crease because I might want to unfold. So if you look at the back, see we have what is gonna be these wings on the side. Now this is a bit of a hard intersection to find, but stick with me. So when these 2 parts intersect, so on this part, I'm gonna unfold both of these bottom intersecting parts. See? Now you've made what's going to be these 2 little fins, but may not look like it right now. So if we unfold this bit, you can kind of undo that whole crease and now pull this part until this part right here aligns with that part right there. and fold this little triangle up, and tuck that triangle into that little pocket. He said it. And there we go. So see, we're gonna unfold it. Just unfold that. So we're gonna want to literally just this is a bit hard, but stick with it. Stick with it. Okay, see? Now I'm just gonna pull it until it looks like that. So it looks like that. And that part lines up. So see? This part lines up with that. Pull this triangle up on that. This little part right here. And we're gonna just push it. So we could even pull it in a bit more. So then this into the model. Now we're gonna want to make what is gonna be the second pair of wings, which is here. Unfold this entire part right here as much as it will go. As much as it will go. And do the same thing, kind of. I'm really going to work on that back part, because that's what I'm going to want to fight you. If you look at the back, we have the second set of wings. Now, on this bit, it's going to want to crease all the way down and crease all the way down here, and see that you're just gonna want to just bend it and until it goes into place. And I'm gonna do it all the way. Just do it all the way. So because that's what I'm doing. And still borrow that part bends. Okay, wait, first of all, unfold everything here. And these two parts. Oh, I messed up a bit on that jet fold, because jet folds are kind of new to me. I haven't made many jets. I've only made 2 jets. This is my second jet. And one of my favorite things, just because of how it looks. So you may notice it looks a bit different from what it looked like at the start. And that's because I messed up. But that could be easily fixed if we bend it a bit higher up, which will give it a higher, which will obviously give it a higher up bend. See? Bend it right high up, and then it'll go and end up being that high up. And tuck this part in to lock it together, and then boom, you've made my favorite jet. Oh yeah, wait, we're not done yet. Please don't click off. And put your pen in here and just carve it up a bit, and you're done. You've made my favorite paper airplane. Let's see it in flight. Wait, I didn't throw it hard. I didn't throw it correctly. I keep throwing. What the?